Hello ladies and gentlemen and fellow riders. I'm here to review the Viking specific motorcycle saddlebags for the Harley Dyna Low Rider that I purchased for my 2014 Dyna Low Rider. I do have to say that these bags were the perfect purchase and the perfect fit for me as they met the needs, look, and reliability that I was looking for. They arrived quickly, were well packaged, and instructions and hardware were included. Installation was very easy, and I was ready to ride within about an hour or so. And as you can see, the bags themselves obviously look great, are well constructed, and are large enough to carry everything that I ride with. So I would say that if you want that good leather saddlebag look, along with the dependability of a solid product, I recommend Viking bags. Ride safe, people. Have a great day.